I can say I'm representing the opposition side of Zimbabwean politics, because our Zimbabwean politics, as usual, is divided into two: the ruling party and the oppositions. As oppositions, we have got a duty to play in our country. The Kudirajecha ideology means to destroy the Zanupf Zimbabwe and build the opposition Zimbabwe. But in reality, Zimbabwe is one country. So it's impossible now to destroy the Zanupf Zimbabwe and build the opposition Zimbabwe. The only way is to build the one Zimbabwe. How do we build the one Zimbabwe? Opposition parties have got different manifestos that can't be implemented because they are not in power. So if I've got my manifesto, another party has got a manifesto, we should bring it to the ruling party so that they implement. We need to work together. Let's not help the leadership to fail so that we can take over. No one must take over a failed country, failed state. Let's build the country. It's not about who is a president, who is a minister. It's about every Zimbabwean to participate. Therefore, the change we want in Zimbabwe is not only the replacement of ZANU-PF with the opposition. The change we want is to change from your individuality. As Tinashe, I should stop insulting leadership. As Zimbabwe, I should stop spreading the hate in my country. I should speak love, unity. And I should work with ZANU-PF without a problem. I should work with MDs without a problem. I should work with ZAP without a problem. We want to build one Zimbabwe. So we should differ in political formations. We should differ in political ideologies. That doesn't make us enemies. Therefore, I'm saying to Mr. Mandaza, I am really sorry for what I did to remove a scarf from your neck.
The president of ZANU-PF, who is the president of the country.
Can you remove that scarf from your neck? Can you remove that thing?
You can't.
Tinashe, come on. This is not the time. Yesterday you got a chance to speak. We just want to hear Kennedy's side. Tinashe.
Let's see. Where I thought I'm playing a hero, where I was playing Spider-Man. I'm sorry for that. I need to be a true Zimbabwean, where my parents, my ancestors must be proud of me.
Thank you. On behalf of ZANU-PF and indeed on my own behalf, I want to acknowledge the understanding that has now emerged from the leader of Ideal Zimbabwe. We accept the apology that he extended to me as an individual, which I think also goes as far as to ZANU-PF, the party whose scarf was removed from my neck. Then we believe that it was politics. Mr. Tinashe at that time did not have the kind of orientation that he has now. But given that he has this orientation that seeks to bring Zimbabweans together, we accept that and would want to urge all other Zimbabweans to have the same spirit that in politics we do not hate one another, we do not scold one another. We are people of Zimbabwe who should be working together to build one Zimbabwe. And as ZANU-PF, we are a forgiving party and we will forgive Tinashe Jonas for everything and accept him as a Zimbabwean, and we would want all other people to emulate this gesture of collective understanding that Zimbabwe is for Zimbabweans and no one else can build it for us. Let us differ in ideologies but have a convergence to our mother country and build it together. We thank you and thank you all Zimbabweans for taking this time to appreciate what the role that the ZANU-PF government is playing. Indeed, we are one people.
I would like to take this opportunity to thank Mr. Tinashe for being humble and presenting himself, knowing that what he did was not proper. This is something which must be led by all the political players in Zimbabwe. We need one Zimbabwe, one common agenda. Our people have suffered for too long. We are 24, 25 years behind or backwards of other African countries. We can only build Zimbabwe when we work together. So what Mr. Jonas has done is something which is supposed to be emulated even by the major political players in Zimbabwe. Our president, E.D. Mnangagwa, has said he's a listening president. Test that, go to him and tell the Zimbabweans that he has not listened to you. So this is a challenge to all other political parties that together we can build a big Zimbabwe. Together we can build a developed Zimbabwe, and together we can secure the future of our children. Thank you, Mr. Jonasi, for coming. Thank you so much.